Hey friends, what's going on? Myself Kaushik and welcome to another episode of Fly High India. And first of all, sorry for not uploading video for many days. And now today I am going to make a video step by step how to clean the chain of your motorcycle. And to clean your chain you will need 5 things. Number 1, this G-roller. If your bike has center stand, you can simply put your bike on center stand. Number 2, this brush. You can use your old toothbrush. Number 3, some amount of cleaner. You can use branded chain cleaner, but in my case I am using some amount of kerosene. And chain lube. I am using this Motul chain lube and one piece of old cloth. And now I am powering some amount of kerosene into this empty bottle of Colin so that I can evenly spray kerosene over chain. Step 1, I have to put the bike over this G-roller so that I can freely rotate my rear tire. Step 1 is done. Now I can easily rotate my rear tire. Number 2, now you have to evenly spray this kerosene over the chain so that the dart become loose. Step 2 done. Now the step 3. Now you have to rub your chain with the help of this brush. Now I am spraying some more amount of kerosene so the chain become more clear. Step 3 is done. Now the step 4. Now you have to use this old piece of cloth to make your chain dry. Now you can see the chain is pretty clean. You can see also the sprocket is also clean. And now leave your bike for 5 to 10 minutes so the chain become full dry. Then spray the chain lube. Now the step 5, evenly spray the chain lube over the chain. thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe, always wear a helmet. Bye bye.